Hi, my name's Tom Cameron. I'm a customer of Gold Medal Service. They gave me a hat for being a customer. And, they replaced my AC, my heating, and they did a great job with that. One of the units was hobbling along, the smaller unit, and then the larger unit had some issues with it. And then I had a leak up in the heating system, and those were all pointed out by the technicians. And I had had other AC services before, and all they ever wanted to do was upsell me on everything and charge more than they should. Timeliness, very professional. So yeah, they were there when they said they would. They did what they said they'd do, and they charged not a penny more than they said they would. So went around all three.